Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to sew amigurumi pieces together. I will use the bunny from my spring crochet book as an example and sew on his ear and tail. So, grab your yarn and needle and let's get started. First, place the ear on the bunny's head where you want it to be. Use a pin to hold it in place. Thread your needle and start sewing around the base of the ear. Go through both the ear and the head, using small, even stitches. Once you are done, secure the yarn with a knot and weave in the ends. Next, position the tail in the back of the bunny. Just like with the ear, pin it in place. Sew around the tail base, making sure it's securely attached. When you finish, tie the knot and weave in the ends. Snip off any excess yarn. And that's it. Your bunny is now complete with its ears and tail sewn on. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.